In today's video, we are going to show you how to quickly scan a QR code using Terabox. This is super handy for sharing files or accessing links instantly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Terabox on your mobile device, and then I want you to hover to the top left corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, and beside your profile name or profile picture, there is like a QR code scan option, like a mini logo right here. I want you to click on it. If in case this is your first time, Terabox will ask for permission to use your camera. Make sure to allow it. Of course, point your camera at the QR code you want to scan. Try to keep your phone steady and make sure there's good lighting. This helps the scanner detect the code quickly. Now, once the code is recognized, tap open or confirm to access the file or link, okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to scan a QR code in Terabox. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.